Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will understand the concept of standard form. This is video number 5 in the series of the video where I am explaining the basic concepts which all students of year 11 in any examination board must know in the beginning. So even year 10 students can also watch it. It will be a good revision for them. So in the earlier video, link you will find in the description below, I explained the concept of sets, right? So now we will see what is standard form. So first of all, you need to understand what is a standard form, which number in which form do you write. So let's focus on that, then we will start solving the question. Not solving, basically we are changing the form of the question, right? So a standard form is the one in which you have a digit here between 1 to 9 multiply by 10 power integer. So for example, if I write 2 into 10 power minus 3, it's fine, it is a standard form. If I write 8 into 10 power 4, it is a standard form. So this type of number is called a standard form. If I write 8.3 into 10 power 4, it is a standard form. So before digit, you should have a single digit here before decimal, which is between, or it could be 1 or 9 also, between 1 and 9. So from 1 to 9, it could be any digit before decimal. So it could be single digit or it could be anything after this. So for example, 8.31 into 10 power 5, this is also standard form, right? So we have to change this working of this number which is given to us and bring it into one of this form. This is the meaning of a standard form. Now, how to change it? You need to understand few rules here. For example, I have 23 and I want to change it into standard form. Right now decimal is here. When no decimal is there in the number, it is seen, it is almost in the rightmost. So I have to bring this decimal here. So 23 can be changed into 2.3 times 10 power 1. So this is the standard form of 23. If I have, for example, 43.7 and I want to change it into standard form, so this decimal should be here, right? So I should have this number like this, but I have to multiply it by something, 10 power something, so that I do not change the original number. The value of the number is 43.7. I can't just leave it like 4.37. So if I write into 10 power 1, which means 4.37 times 10, which will become 43.7. So that is fine. So this is my standard form of 43.7. Let's take another example before starting the question given to us here. For example, I have 0.782 and I have to change it into standard form. Then this decimal should come here. Yani ke this number should be what? Look like this. But what should I multiply it by so that my original value of the number is not lost? So now it is 10 times power what? This number should multiply by 10 power something so that I can get this back. So actually it should go back here to get the original form. So I will write minus 1, right? For example, I have 0.0045. I want to change it into standard form. So this decimal should actually be here. It means this number should look like this. But what should it multiply by? What should this multiply by so that this number I can get back? So it should go back, how many places? 1, 2, 3. It should come here, right? So it means I will multiply it by minus 3. So in short, I can say 4.5 times 10 power minus 3 will give me back this answer. So this is the standard form of this number. So this is how we change any number into a standard form. So let's see the question. Let me just clear it out. It will look neat and better. Okay. So now the question here is work out 2 into 10 power 100 minus 2 into 10 power 98. Now in standard form, 4 types of question comes with 4 operations. This one has minus here. You can have here plus, you can have here multiplication, you can have here division. Division and multiplication are handled in a one manner, and plus and minus are handled in a way I will explain to you here. So in plus and minus, we usually factorize. It helps. So what is the common number here? 2 times 10 power 98. Agreed? Because 100 can be 98 plus 2. So let me just write here so that you can understand what I'm talking about. It is 98 plus 2. So if I see 2 times 98 is a common. So I'm factorizing it by taking common factor out. Okay, so what is left from here, from the left number? It is 10 power 2. And because this whole has gone as a common factor, what is left behind? Minus 1. So now, if I simplify this, this is 100 minus 1. So what is 100 minus 1? 99. So you ended up here. So now you will multiply 99 and 2, which I have shown here, the multiplication. Right? I am multiplying these numbers. This I am not touching at the moment. So I got 198. So now I have to change 198 into standard form. And I have just explained it to you. How do you change it? Do you know how you will change it? Before showing you. Now 198 has decimal here. Right? When there is no decimal, it is on the rightmost side. But where do you want this decimal? This decimal should be here. Because in the standard form, before the decimal, there should be a digit from 1 to 9 only. So this decimal should be here. But if I bring it here, they become two different numbers. This is 198 and this is 1.98. So I will multiply it by 10 power something so that when I get the answer of this number, it should be 198. So it will be 10 power 2, which means 100. So 1.98 into 10 power 2 is equals to what? 198. So 198, when you change into standard form, it will become this. Right? And I'm not touching this 10 power 98 now. I'm keeping it there as it is. And now this form 1.98 is perfect. Now I can simplify this. Bases are same, powers are different. So applying the law of indices, it will become what? 10 power 100. 98 plus 2 is 100. So you have work out this original question, original one into standard form. So 2 into 10 power 100 minus 2 into 10 power 98 in the standard form will be this. Right? So thank you very much for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and loved one who love maths, and take care. Allah Hafiz.